Good morning, children. This session is dedicated to all grammar lover, and we are doing past perfect tense along with past perfect continuous tense. When two actions took place in the past, one after the other, the one which had taken place first will be in past perfect, and the other will be in simple past. For example, the train had started before I reached the station. So whenever two actions took place, one after the other in the past, the one which had taken place first will be in past perfect tense. And past perfect continuous tense, when an action started in the past and it had been continuing over a period of time before it got concluded, that action is known as past perfect continuous tense. And in this structure, it will be subject plus had plus been plus before plus for or since and then time. And in past perfect, it is subject plus had plus v3 plus object plus complement. Like the patient had died before the doctor arrived. So arrived is in simple past, and the patient had died is past perfect. So whenever two actions took place in the past, one after the other, the one which had taken place first will be in past perfect. Like the match had been concluded before we finally rang the bell, or the class had been concluded before the bell rang. So the class had been concluded in past perfect. We had already completed our assignment before the bell rang. The students had already completed their assignment before the bell rang. The assembly had already been completed before the principal arrived. Like that. So past perfect tense is very useful even in the case of a continuation. Whenever there are two actions and one is simple past, the other will be past perfect. Like the thieves had run away before the police arrived. The children had gone out to play before they were called by their mother. The parliament session had ended before the vice president came to address them. The conference had ended before the president arrived there. The you know the congregation had started before the actual guest arrived. The address had already begun before the guest arrived. Like that. So whenever two actions took place in the past, one after the other, the one which had taken place first will be in past perfect, and in interrogative it will be like had it rained for 10 hours before we actually noticed it. Had it rained for an hour before we actually reached this spot. Had he really completed the task before he was called by the principal? Had they really reported to the office before they were called by the officer? Had they really been to Goa before they actually went to Allahabad? Had they really visited any other historical place before they visited Agra? Like that. So past perfect and simple past go hand in hand. Similarly, past perfect and future perfect in wood form also go together in a conditional. Like had it rained in time, the crops would not have faded. So had it rained in time is past perfect, and the crops would not have faded is in the conditional form, that is future perfect with conditional form, subject plus would, could, should plus have plus v3. That is also known as future perfect in would, could, should form. So like if if he had worked hard, he would not have got less marks. If she had started early, she would not have been late to the school. If she had really been careful, she would not have met with an accident. If she had really been attentive, she would not have missed the train. If her father would have warned her, she would not have gone to school late. If the train had arrived in time, we would not have waited for long. It's like that. So these are past perfect followed by future perfect in conditional form. When two actions are just in introspection, a kind of examining oneself. We are examining, like had she not committed the mistake, she would not have been scolded. Had he been there, he would have attended the party. Had he reached the venue in time, he would have attended the meeting. Like that. These are very useful conversational English, and these are very useful structure for using two tenses together, particularly past perfect followed by simple past, like the train had left before I reached the station, and the meeting had been over before I really reported to the matter, like that. So we have just discussed past perfect and past perfect along with future perfect in would, could, should form, and this will help you a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day.